For a mere $1, the customer gets a chicken sandwich, fries, and a Dr. Pepper. Oops. Now let's try another round, and let's also see how the machine works. Coins other than dollar coins fall between the rails and into the rejection chute. Dollar coins surpass this hole and proceed to the next element of the mechanism. Said dollar coins lift the black bar and allow the mechanism to rotate 360 degrees. The Dr. Pepper is dispensed via a sideways conveyor belt. The central drive shaft controls all dispensing units. The central axle forks at the bottom of the machine, with torque going to both the chicken sandwich and fry mechanisms. The chicken sandwich boxes are dispensed by platforms retracting below them. The lower platform retracts first and causes the first box to fall. On the second round, the upper platform retracts even further and dispenses the second box. The fry mechanism is probably the most straightforward part, using a simple conveyor to dispense both boxes. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.